In this video, we will show you step by step how to make bean cake using peeled and dried beans. If you are using peeled and dried beans, you need to first soak it in cold water for at least 2 hours before use. Then, give the soaked beans a good rinse until the water is clear of any husk. Transfer the beans into a blender to make a paste. Add some water to make a runny paste, then add 1 finely chopped chili pepper, 1 onion and other spices into the mix. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil to make a smooth and runny paste. Palm oil can also be used instead of olive oil. Transfer the mix into smaller metal cooking cups and then place them into a water bath. Cook on high heat for about 30 to 45 minutes, making sure to top up the bath periodically. Leave to cool before transferring into your plates and serving. For more healthy recipes, go to Food Fashionistas.